Clean it up. Look at Gino and say, clean it up.
Clean it up.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
No, look at Gino and say cheese.
Cheese.
I'm just doing a video. Here we are at Grandma's house. Are we at Grandma's?
Yeah.
You should put those on your mouth, James.
You can press the button. Say hello, people. It doesn't need to go in your mouth. It can go below your mouth like this. Say, Daddy, wake up.
Daddy, wake up.
Rachel, wake up.
Rachel, wake up.
Jessica, wake up.
Jessica, wake up.
Good job. Your weekend. Arby's and Krispy Kreme. Just kidding. That's a t-shirt. Yeah. I got my makeup done at Sephora, and it looked really bad. You got your makeup done? Yeah, like I was gonna, it was the day before prom, and I was like gonna get some new makeup, and so I just like made an appointment, because Sister Byer's daughter works there. She didn't do my makeup, but, yeah. It was really bad. No. Is he eating gum?
Mm-hmm.
He's not supposed to eat gum, because he swallows it. Do you know what? Why do you just chuckle about this? Jake, okay, find the garbage. Can you spit it in Jessica's garbage, please? Yeah. We're not going to drive right now. Not yet. Maybe when we have to clean up all that crap down there.
Chase, can you dance in the truck?
Right now, babe.
That's on the video. Oh, I got it all.
I know.
Look at me snout.
I was saying
Your funniest face.
yeah, she's the face.
Make a funny face.
Wow, that's cool. Yeah. She was Susan's boss when she worked there. She works at Korea now.
You're funny.
Nice.
Yeah.
You don't understand. No.
Yeah. What are you eating?
I'm eating eggs.
Where are you? Are you at Grandma's house?
Mm-hmm.
Did you fly on an airplane?
Mm-hmm.
Was it fun?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
But it's scary.
It's scary?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's scary about it?
We land down.
Yeah, when you land it's pretty scary?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, no! And then touched it. He did. I'm not touched it.
Yeah.
Mom,
He was pretty close to the top though.
He tried to get an airplane.
Yeah.
Then I sit down there. You open it there.
Is that a funny face that you just made, Chase? Do you like making funny faces?
Oh, you thought. Look at me, I dropped. Oh, whoa. Oh.
That's okay. Chase doesn't need a fork. He's still amazing when he eats. See? Are you a monster, Chase?